Hello, welcome to this video where I will solve insecure logging challenge, which is part of DIVA application. So DIVA is one of the dummy vulnerable Android application. So we can install DIVA application in any emulator. On the right hand side, I have the emulator running. I can confirm that by running adv devices command. Then we will install DIVA application in the emulator and will launch the application. So in the DIVA application, we can see multiple challenges available. And the first challenge is insecure logging. So click on the first challenge. So in the challenge objective, we can see it is mentioned, find out what is being logged where, how, and the vulnerable code. Hint is also given as insecure logging occurs when developer intentionally or unintentionally log sensitive information such as credential, sensitive ID, financial detail. So we need to check if application is storing any sensitive data in plain text or not. So in the functionality, we can see there is a search input field and it is asking for credit card number. So credit card number is one of the sensitive information which should not be logged in plain text. At least if there is a need to store, it should be masked, like few characters should be masked um, so that attacker will not get the entire credit card number. So at first, we need to find out the package name of this DIVA application so that we can understand the logs. So we can run this command adb cell ps then grep DIVA. So using adb cell ps command, we can find out the running packages or process in the mobile application. Now in the mobile application, there can be a multiple packages running. So what we can do, we can use grep command, and in the grep we have provided DIVA. So it will return the line which will have DIVA. Also we can analyze the Android manifest file. In the manifest file also we can find out the package name. So here we can see we have got the package name, and for this particular package we have process ID 6537. So what we will do, we need to capture all the logs generated by this particular application. So we can use the command specific to this process ID only, so that we can ignore other logs generated from different application. So here I will run the command adv logcat. So using logcat, we can find out the generated logs. And in the grep, I will provide the process ID. So it will only show me the logs related to this particular process ID. So here we can see all these logs are generated by the application till now. Now I will go back to application functionality and I will provide any random number. So this is basically a credit card number, we can assume. And after providing the number, I will click on the checkout button. And in the left side terminal, I can see entire value disclosed in plain text. So I can assume it is getting stored in the logs. If I will change the value and again click on the checkout button, I can notice this particular value again logged here. So this is not recommended. So sensitive data such as credit card information or password should not be logged. And if there is a need of logging such sensitive information, partial value should be masked, and it is important to disable logging in the production build. Thank you.